How do I include related model fields using Django Rest Framework? Let's say that we have the following model. Let's say that instead of getting a result like this per the many related primary key field function, have it return something that includes the full related model representation like. Is this possible? If so, how? And is this a bad idea?
The simplest way is to use the depth argument. However, that will only include relationships for forward relationships, which in this case isn't quite what you need, since the teacher's field is a reverse relationship. If you've got more complex requirements, e.g. include reverse relationships, nest some fields, but not others, or nest only a specific subset of fields, you can nest serializers, e.g. Note that we use the source argument on the serializer field to specify the attribute to use as the source of the field. We could drop the source argument by instead making sure the teacher's attribute exists by using the related_name option on your teacher model, classroom equals models.foreign key classroom, related_name equals teachers. One thing to keep in mind is that nested serializers do not currently support write operations. For writable representations, you should use regular flat representations, such as park or hyperlinking.
Thank you, Tom Christie. You helped me a lot. I would like to update that a little, because of a mistake I ran into.
This can also be accomplished by using a pretty handy dandy Django package called drf flexfields. We use it and it's pretty awesome. You just install it pip install drf flexfields, pass it through your serializer, add expandable_fields and bingo, example below. It also allows you to specify deep nested relationships by using dot notation. Then you add $expand equals teacher_set to your URL and it returns an expanded response. Hope this helps someone, someday. Cheers!
Thanks to Tom Christie and Paolo. I would just like to add a clarification. The below code works fine, but the person has to remember to add the related_name equals teacher_set attribute to the model teacher. In this case here is the complete code. Models.py. Note, related_name equals teacher_set to the classroom field. Serializers.py.
Can't sleep in the presence of time.